So we're out here at the bus stop waiting to go to Animal Kingdom to go meet Chip and Dale and Launchpad and Scrooge, and then we're going to Magic Kingdom. So that's how our day's starting out. Alright, yes, we all know we're crazy. We're at Animal Kingdom in August. It's hot. We just walked in and I'm already sweating. You sweat? I'm sorry. Are you sweating? Yep. It's hot. We're in line to meet Doug and Russell though. Or, yeah. It's crazy. You guys, we're doing something that I've never done before. Yes. Huh? Yes. I am riding Triceratops spin for the first time. I've never done it before, so that's good. And then we're gonna go meet Chip and Dale, and then we're leaving because I'm so hot. Hi, thank you. I'm melting. So we're gonna do this and then leave. So excited.
Arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward. Ready? And let's go for a spin!
I'll get third degree burn right here. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we're in line to meet Chip and Dale as dinos. And Rebekah, what did you just say? I just keep thinking of Philippians 4:13. What verse is that? I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. It's so hot.
Chip is somewhere else. Look. And his hiding is left in his treehouse.
I picked up these pins while we were at Animal Kingdom today, and I'm waiting to open them until now. We are on our way home, sadly. But we are hitting up a restaurant before we actually go home, just because we can't wait until tomorrow. Anyway, that's besides the point. I think these pins are super cute, so it's $28 and you get 5 pins. I opened the top just so it would be easy to open, and I still dropped it. Anyway. Who I got. I got Pooh. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Alice. Mickey. Dale. And Minnie. Oh, those are cute. I really wanted Hercules. Thought Hercules was pretty cute, and Mushu was pretty cute too. And of course Tink. But those ones are cute. I really like the design of all of them, so I'll get some next time I come. But yeah, just wanted to open them with you guys. These are all so cute.